Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I don't always have a lot of time in the morning to do my makeup. When I'm on the go or need that natural look, I've really come to rely on Dermatology's Tinted Moisturizer. I have a cool skin tone, and I love that this is a universal tint, so I could buy this with confidence knowing that it was going to match whatever my skin tone is. I start with a toner and then some serum, and then I put the moisturizer right on top of that serum, and it doesn't get flaky or gummy at all. It spreads on really smoothly and quickly on your skin, and it's not sticky or greasy. I like to apply it not just to my face, but to my neck, décolletage, and the tops of my hands. I love the light coverage and that it gives me just a nice dewy glow without having a bunch of heavy foundation on. I think this is a really quality product. I love that I have the option just to use a tinted moisturizer when I'm in a hurry or if I just want really light natural coverage. And that's my point of view.